I know how your feed looks today. It's full of people who are telling you that the economy is broken, house is just a myth for only rich people, and that basically you should just spend all your money you earn because the world is on fire. I understand you. I fall for the same lie for over 10 years. And it cost me a house deposit and 10 years of freedom. So in today's video, I will be just brutally honest with you why that mindset is a trap to keep you poor, broken, and exactly in the place that you are right now. I spent 9 years in one job. I work all the way up from sorting a rubbish downstairs when no one can see you to becoming a assistant manager. I thought I was safe. Nothing gonna happen. I will just stay here, work, do my stuff, and I'll just retire, happy ever after. What to want more? But then one day, life decided to give me a massive slap in the face. I didn't have any savings. I didn't have any skills or no new skills could potentially land me a way better job. Why? Because I spent my 20s going to work, coming home, having a beer, playing games. Because I was believing that the house is out of reach. So in today's video, I'm gonna break 3 lies that I used to believe myself and a one system that I use to finally wake up from that. The lie number 1. The small savings doesn't matter. I'm sure you hear it many times. £100 won't buy you a house. So what for to save that? Just let's go buy us some nice clothes, go for a night out, let's enjoy the day, let's enjoy it today. I started working when I was 19. And if I would save that £100 till I would reach my 30s, probably I wouldn't be renting a house today. Because probably I would do have a money for a deposit for my own house. Just because today that £100 doesn't look like money, but in 10 years time it could be a beginning of your freedom. You save, so when the time will come and the opportunity will appear, you have the power to grab it and take it. The second lie I believe was a safe job is your only security. I trade my future for my safe job. I stay in one place for 9 years because it was comfortable for me. I didn't learn any new skill. I didn't do nothing to improve my life, increase my value on a job market. I just prefer to come home and just play the games in the evening because I thought that safe means that I have a contract at work. And then life quickly showed me that I was wrong. And then I realized safe, it's mean when you have the skills that world actually needed. And I only unfortunately realized that when I lost my job and there was nothing to lean back on, I had to start learning a video editing when I was struggling. So use your time and your evenings to build your human capital now. Don't wait for the life to do the same and come and slap you in the least expected moment. And the third lie, I call it, I know where all my money are going. I knew all my bills, but because I never actually sat down to check them, I end up with plenty of little tiny leaks. At one stage, I realized that I was paying for 2 separate phone contracts, each of them 24 months. Totally no reason. Basically, I was giving all my money that I was earning hard at work, just like this, for free, because of my own stupidity. And then I was surprised, how come I don't have money? How come I'm always broke? And then as well, when I realized that I basically drank off my house deposit with my friend just because I was scared to face the truth. When I finally find out my life numbers, the exact cost for me to live or to survive and live, then when the shame hit. But at the same time, that shame is what it gave me finally the clarity I needed. And then the shift came when I stopped blaming and I started tracking. Look, face the truth, you can't fix the world economy, but you can fix your economy. So stop looking at the news and start looking into your transactions. And look, you don't need to be a millionaire tomorrow, but you need to stop sabotaging yourself, because you can't fix what you can't see. If you are ready to face and find out your life numbers and stop that stupid why I should be bothered mindset, start with my 7-day money clarity challenge. It's a simple workbook that I wish to have in my 20s. No judgment, just the mirror that you need to see the truth. I will put the link down in the description. So now you have the clarity, but you need to know how to organize your account so you will never accidentally spend your savings again. So watch this video and I will show you the 2 account rule that saved me a future.